Hi folks, my name is Charles Xuan and I'm a storytelling sales coach. Welcome to another episode of Storytime. This is my handsome little boxer. His name is Dodo. And in Mandarin it means plentiful and abundance. Now he's just want to play and play and play all day. He's got such a loving nature. On Tuesday this week when we took him for a walk, on our way back we were viciously attacked, and I use the word viciously attacked. Viciously attacked by two dogs, which one of them was a pit bull. They got hold of his legs and they wouldn't let go. He was wincing in pain, he was trying to get away, and I mustered up all my courage and all my energy, and I was trying to fight off the dogs. I was kicking them and kicking them and kicking them. Eventually, we were able to get away as two very, very kind Samaritans came to help us. And it got me thinking, isn't this similar to what we are going through right now? We're trying to build a business, we're trying to go to work. Next thing we know, this vicious COVID pandemic hits us and just attacks us. And you're crying for help and you're exhausted and it seems like nothing's working. But here's the good news, folks. Today's Friday, so that is about 4 days later. He's back to his bouncing self. We took him to the vet, gave him some antibiotics, patched him up. Just for your information, there were 6 bite marks, so deep that you can actually see the flesh. Now, what I wanted to share is a lot of times we don't know this until it actually happened. We are more resilient than we think. So don't forget that. If you enjoy this video, please remember to click like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.